To install the Uploadfly app, click the Install button. Next, you will be prompted to choose one of the existing plans. 4 plans are available: Starter, Basic, Professional, and Enterprise. After selecting the plan, you will be taken to the charge approval page. Once the charge is approved, you will be directed to the dashboard area. Here, you can find a guide on how to activate and enable the app. Step 1. Activate the app by clicking the Enable App button. This will redirect you to the front customized theme product. As you can see, we need to enable the Uploadfly button to activate the app. By default, the button is positioned at the bottom, but you can move it to any area you want your customers to see. Don't forget to save the settings. This will take you back to the dashboard area. With the first step complete, we move on to step 2, enabling the upload button. To do this, click the Add Product button. This will take you to a list of products. Now, you can choose any product you want to have an upload button by clicking the Add button or the plus icon. You can test this by clicking the eye icon or the View Product button. This will take you to the product front-end page. Here, you can see there is an Upload File button. The installation process finished. Thank you, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.